on a fresh WordPress installation. The URLs are little weird. As you can see here, the URL that my current post is using is website name, then year, month, day, and finally the post name, which is obviously not good for SEO and not readable too. This is why the first thing that you have to do after installing WordPress is change the structure of the URL. For that, you have to go to the dashboard of the WordPress. In dashboard, you will go to settings and then Permalinks. In Permalinks, you will find how your website is structured. So for example, this is plain, but a question mark is added at that. We don't want it. At present, my website is using day and name. I don't want it either. What I want something simple, simply a post name. So after my website, it will be sample-post or the post name itself. So I will select post name and then I'll click on save changes. And this is how the structure is now changed. If I refresh this, you can see that this page is not found because obviously URL has changed. So if I want to go to the same page again, the URL is absolutely neat and clean, readable and SEO friendly. So this is what you have to do in your fresh WordPress installation. Thank you very much.